In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and replace the battery in your Dodge Charger located in the trunk. To gain access to your battery, you want to go ahead and open up your trunk lid. Grab the rear deck lid here, grab the pull strap, and pull it up. Now if you happen to have this strap here to secure the deck lid, set that up. Now the battery is located over here on the passenger side. After we've lifted up our deck lid, I want to go ahead and access this little wire harness here. There's a little pinch tab on the back side. I'm going to pinch that and pull this off. Using a 10mm socket, loosen the anchoring nut here. I like to use a flathead screwdriver to gently pry this open, and then wiggle this up and off. On the back here, I'm going to pull up on this cover. It's going to give us access to the positive terminal. Use a 10mm. Slide off the positive side. Wrapping around the battery as a securing strap. You want to press on this, releasing the tension. Now if you follow the strap around to the front side, right around the forward side here, there's a 10mm bolt down here holding a clamp that secures the battery into the tray. Go ahead and take your battery, lower it down into position. When installing the battery, make sure that the securing strap is pulled out and both your terminals are free. Push the battery as far as you can back. And also make sure that the battery is far to the right side up against this bracket. Let's go ahead and install the clamping bracket down below. When installing the bracket, make sure that the bolt hole is closest to the battery with this clamping side up, not down. Set that down into place. Line with the bolt hole. I'm just going to set the bolt into place. And by hand, I'm going to use the extension and the socket to get that bolt started. Once it's started, go ahead and secure that. Once that clamp is secure, pull on our securing strap. Make that as snug as possible by hand. Install the positive side of the battery. I'm going to go ahead and snug that down. Once that bottoms out, give it a little bit more. Give that a twist to make sure it's good and secure and not spinning. Install the positive battery terminal cover. Install the ground terminal. Make sure it's down as far as it can go. Snug down the 10mm bolt. You have your connector right here. Line that up. Install that. At this point here, we can secure our deck cover hook. Drop it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.